Hey guys, Emily here with MamaBear Reviews, and today I'm here to share with you, review, and unbox a new app, and I think you guys will be really excited about it. So let's just hop right into it. So this app is called Antidote. It is a healthcare app that allows you to visit a doctor, get prescriptions, all that, all from the ease of your phone. So they reached out to me and wanted me to do a review and unboxing for you. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I already downloaded the app and signed up. It's super easy to sign up. You just need name, birthday, email, the basics. They don't need any like social security or any health insurance. Like that's the thing. You don't need health insurance for this app. I know health insurance is crazy right now, especially if you're a small business or you work for yourself like I do. It can be really expensive to find great healthcare. Which was really cool when Antidote reached out to me and was telling me all about their app and their program. It sounded really cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I signed up. You just download the app, sign up, like I said, name, birthday, email, and then you get taken to this page. So once you're in this page, you can hit the buttons. There's a see a doctor, renew a prescription, check out our plan. So they do offer two separate plans. There's a one-time visit plan, there's a family plan, there's an individual plan. So when you go to choose your plan, you can choose a one-time visit, so $49 for a one-time visit, or if you need a doctor's note for your kid or your job or just anything, they do also give you doctor's notes, $39. So once you pick a plan, you can do one-time visit, or you can do a doctor's note. Like I said, you just pick that. You can go to renew a prescription. They ask you a little like chat. It comes up in like a little chat thing, which you can do, which is really cool. Or if you go to the side, it gives you prescriptions, referrals, talks about your past visits, your future visits, if you want to plan out your, yearly appointments or your kids' appointments, whatever. You can even link like a debit card to it and pay however you are comfortable paying. So let's see if I go to plans. So they offer individual plans and family plans. So the individual plans are on sale currently for $35 a month. Gives you 24 access to a doctor. You can get up to 13 doctor's visits included. And then after that, there's a $15 fee, which applies. But medications are included. There's no deductibles, which is great. Or they offer a family plan. The family plans are $59 a month. Same 24/7 access, 365. Your kids are included. There's multiple visits included. And then this one, you get 21 visits included annually. And then after that, they're $15. So medications are included. There's no deductibles. Super easy. They're available in a ton of different states, and they're adding more states each month. They're cheap because they basically cut out the insurance, the middleman. So they don't require you to have health insurance. You can sign up directly through their plans and then, pick your doctor, all that. I think this app's really cool, especially if you're not sick all the time. Like you don't need super you don't need a big health insurance plan if you're not going all the time. Like our family's relatively healthy. My kids go once a year for their annual physical. Me and my husband go even less than that, which we probably should go more, but we just don't. Even before, the pandemic and all that, we just never really got sick enough to need a doctor or need antibiotics or anything. So that's a really good thing. For families like us, it's really beneficial because we can pay a super low, just monthly thing and talk to a doctor on our phones. We don't have to load the kids in the car and go to the doctor's appointments and wait in the office. And then, there's doctor's offices are just germy as it is. And people are going in and out with all different issues and sicknesses and stuff. So I think that's really cool that you can just do it from your phone. I know a lot of doctors and providers now do virtual consultations and stuff, but a lot of them have set hours. a lot of them only have set hours and you still have to make an appointment to do the Zoom call. This one with Antidote, it's 24/7, 365. You have an issue, you call, and usually you get seen really fast. Like there's no weeks out where you have to set an appointment. Like I went to schedule an appointment for my daughter and it was like 3 months out and I needed her to be seen that day because I thought she was having an ear infection. I thought she might have gotten an ear infection. And I was like, well, 3 months from now, that's going to do me nothing. But if I went to urgent care, I'd be paying up to $145 for a visit. So like I said, this really is really great. Even if you only do the one-time visit, like I just needed that day, $49 beats $145 doctor visits, plus having to go there. They'll write you the prescription. You'll pick it up at your local pharmacy, whatever you have, set, done. Could not be easier. So I really like that the medications are included, that you can do 3-way video calls. So if like you're here, your husband's out of town, and your kid, you know, you need to talk to the doctor, they do offer 3-way calls. Or if you are from a split family or you're co-parenting, you can get both parents on the phone with the doctor without actually having to be in the same room. So that's another great option about this app. Like I said, super user friendly. I can scroll basically, you know, it's kind of like a no-brainer. Like there's no like super convoluted way to get to anything. I've gone on some apps that everything's hidden or it takes forever to get to that certain page and you can't find what you're looking for. This app's super easy to get started and use it. They did give me a link and a code for you guys if you wanted to try it out. You get $10 off the first month with code MamaBear. So it's a great option if you want to try it out, or if you just want to do like a one-time visit kind of thing. $10 off, code MamaBear. Try it out. Obviously, there's downsides. Like obviously, certain appointments you need to go actually see a doctor. So there's that issue if like, you know, women, that yearly exam we all just love so much. Obviously, they can't do that on the video chat because that would be awkward. But so that obviously you would need to go to an actual doctor for. So there, you know, that's the downside is a video call, you can only do so much, right? You can only see so much or feel for things like, you know, so those yearly appointments, girls and gentlemen, or if you have like a weird bump or a weird thing, obviously they can't do an x-ray or they can't do that, but they do a referral. So they can refer you maybe to a place locally that you can get checked out. So I will link it all down below. Like I said, code MamaBear will give you $10 off. Thank you again to Antidote for sponsoring today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think would be cool about the app, or there's something you might have thought of, like, oh, that'd be cool if the app added that. Leave it down below. I will send it to them, your suggestions, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.